Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you guys won't be seeing me, you'll be seeing my brushes only and my hands maybe. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. As you guys can see, they are rather dirty, so I need to get them cleaned. So I decided to take you guys through the process with me. So I'll be showing you guys the things I use, the process I use, and why I do each and every step. So yeah, if you want to see that, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and please most of all subscribe. And yeah, let's get right into the video. By the way, these brushes are synthetic, so if you use real hair brushes, this may not be the steps you should use. And so yeah, let's get into the video.
Wanna dance with somebody, I just wanna dance with somebody. It could be anybody. Tell me, are you that somebody? Don't matter who you are, just love me the way I just wanna dance with somebody.
So first off, let's talk about the stuff you need. The first thing you need is serviettes or paper towels. These are the ones I use, and this is not a Hanan ad, by the way. These are the ones I use. So the next thing is hand wash. So this is just to do the cleaning of the brushes. Then you have some oil. This is the one I have right now, but I usually use either coconut oil or baby oil, but since I don't have either, I'll be using this. And lastly, rose water, which I've put in a spray bottle so that it can be easy to use. So the first step is to put your oil on the serviette. I don't know if you guys can see the oil. I think you guys can. So the main reason you're doing this is so that we can remove majority of the makeup from the brushes. So I'm going to look for one brush. This is the brush I'll be cleaning first. It's a blending brush. It's a blending brush. So after we just rub the brush on the serviette, and you guys can see the oil is literally coming out, all the makeup is coming off. And this is why I do this step. As you can see, I just rub it like that. I just make sure I've removed as much makeup from the brush as I can, so that while I'm cleaning it, it will be a lot easier and a lot quicker, and so that none of the oil remains, because you guys know these days makeup is literally waterproof. So if you just use water and soap, all the makeup may not come off. So after I'm done like that with that brush, as you guys can see how much makeup I've gotten off. So that part of the serviette is already used. So I go to the other side and I pick another brush. I'll just pick this angled brush, and yeah, start the process all over again. You guys can see how much dirt is coming off, how much of the makeup is coming off, and it is so easy and so quick. And I literally do this with all the brushes, even the face brushes. Let me show you guys with the face brushes right now. I think this one is dirty. Let me just add some oil, then I show you. So for this, I just use my flat top foundation brush, and I just do the same exact thing I've been doing. As you guys can see, the foundation is all coming off. It's all remaining in the serviette. And the reason I use a serviette is because the serviette has it's folded into four sides, into four pieces, so you have like 4 pieces to use instead of using a piece of tissue, which you'll use so much. Like for a serviette, I can use 4 brushes on one piece, so you can see it's a bit economical. As you guys can see, the foundation is all there. It may not all the foundation may come off, but at least the majority will come off. So yeah, let me do the rest of the brushes and then I'll be back. So guys, as you can see, these are the dirty serviettes. You can see how dirty they are. You can see how much makeup has come off. So these are all the serviettes I've used, and these are the brushes. So now we are off to the actual washing. So yeah, let me go to the bathroom and then we'll see each other again. So guys, I'm in the bathroom. There's my hand wash. This is the sink I'll be using to do the cleaning, and right next to it I have some lukewarm water. The reason I'm using lukewarm water is because, as you guys have just seen, I used some oil to get rid of the makeup, so I have to use some lukewarm water to get rid of the oil from the brushes. Otherwise the brushes will remain dirty with some oil. And here are the brushes. They are on a tray. I have 2 trays, as you guys can see. The reason I have 2 trays is because one is to hold the dirty brushes, then the other one is to hold them after I've cleaned them, so that they don't get mixed up the words are not coming, so that they don't get mixed up and contaminated. You don't really have to use the trays, just use whatever it is you want. You can even place them on whatever surface it is you have, as long as it's clean. So yeah, let's get to the washing. So the first thing I do is I pick the brush. Once I have the brush with me, I just pick and wet the brush. You guys can see I'm wetting the brush. And then right after that, I just put a pump of the soap on the brush, and I just mix that in together. As you guys can see, I add more soap if I feel like I've not put enough. And I just mix that in. As you guys can see, the product is just coming off, so I just mix that in. Once I feel like I've removed as much of the makeup as I can, as you guys can see, this brush is dirtier than most of them. It's my powder brush. I just rinse it with the cold water to remove the soap, the first layer of soap. And I add a bit of the soap again, clean that again. You guys are seeing the soap is not, add a bit more. The dirtier the brush, the more soap you'll use, by the way. Now it's getting clean. You can see now the actual color is coming back. Again and out. Rinse it off. I rinse it off with the lukewarm water, and then I just look at the brush. I still think it's a bit dirty, so I'll just keep washing it. So yeah, you guys know what I do. Let me just finish cleaning the brushes. The camera is getting in my way, then I'll be. So as you guys can see, I'm done with all my face brushes. Now I'm just left with my eye brushes. Let me just clean those up real quick, then I'll be back. So guys, I'm done washing the brushes. So the next thing is to comb them out. The reason I comb them out is because, as you can see, when washing, you really do a lot of rubbing of the bristles, so they get tangled, as you can see. I don't know if you can see. So the next thing I do is to comb them out, and I just comb them out with this. So I just do this. You guys can see this brush is broken. So I just go ahead and do that to all the brushes, and I'll be back. So I'm now done with the combing out of the bristles. As you can see, they look a lot neater right now, as you can see. So now the next step is to spray the brushes with the rose water. The reason I'm spraying them with rose water is just to help disinfect them in case they have any dirt left or germs left, and yeah, and also to give them a nice smell, because the rose water I use has a really nice smell. So I just start. Okay, so I just spray the brushes, the bristles of the brushes, just spray them, and then yeah, that's it. We are done with the brushes. As you can see, they look really nice and clean, and they're all sprayed up. And yeah, that we're done. So now all that's left is putting them out to dry. So I'll just leave them here to dry up since the weather here is not so good. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and please give this video a thumbs up. I know liking and giving it a thumbs up is the same thing. It was so hard to film this video, especially the part where I was washing the brushes. I had to hold the camera and wash the brushes at the same time, and I only have 2 hands. So yeah, it was really hard to do this video, but I'm so glad I showed it to you. You can see the brushes. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.